how much has artificial intelligence changed the way we live and operate? It all started as a concept in the mid-20th century, when the term artificial intelligence was coined. This was a time when the idea of a machine that could think and learn like a human was nothing more than science fiction. But with the advent of the digital age, the concept of AI shifted from the realm of fiction to reality. Over the years, artificial intelligence has grown from a fascinating concept to a practical tool that influences our everyday lives. It's become so embedded in our world that it's hard to imagine a day without AI. Whether we realize it or not, artificial intelligence plays a significant role in our daily routines. It's the virtual assistant in your smartphone helping you manage your day, the smart car guiding you through traffic, and the recommendation engine on your favorite streaming service suggesting what to watch next. AI has not only become common in our personal lives but has also revolutionized our workplaces. From automating repetitive tasks to providing insightful data analysis, AI has made workplaces more efficient and productive. It's the chatbot answering customer queries, the algorithm predicting market trends, and the machine learning model helping doctors diagnose diseases. AI's influence extends beyond our smartphones, cars, homes, and workplaces. It's transforming industries, shaping economies, and even influencing the way we think and make decisions. It's helping us solve complex problems, make informed decisions, and create innovative solutions. However, this journey of AI hasn't been a smooth one. It's been marked by breakthroughs and setbacks, by skepticism and acceptance. But through it all, AI has proven its potential and continues to evolve, becoming more sophisticated and more integrated into our lives. So, just how much has AI changed the way we live and operate? Well, it's hard to quantify, but one thing's for sure, artificial intelligence has become an indispensable part of our lives, influencing how we interact, work, and even think. Indeed, AI has transformed our lives, but how does it compare to traditional methods of doing things? In a world of fast-paced technology, how does AI stack up against traditional methods? Enter the age-old debate of machine versus human. The comparison between artificial intelligence and traditional methods of doing tasks is intriguing, to say the least. Let's examine this from a few angles. Firstly, consider efficiency. Traditional methods often involve a human element, which can be both a blessing and a curse. Humans come with creativity, flexibility, and the ability to think outside the box. However, they also come with limitations. They tire, they need breaks, and they can't work round the clock. On the other hand, AI systems, once set up and trained, can operate continuously without fatigue. They can perform repetitive tasks with the same level of accuracy and speed day in and day out. In fact, they can even improve over time as they learn from their mistakes. In terms of accuracy, the scales tip again in favor of AI. While humans are prone to errors, especially when performing monotonous tasks, AI systems are designed to be precise. They can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, making them invaluable in fields like healthcare, finance, and logistics, where precision is paramount. Speed is another area where AI shines. Traditional methods, bound by human limitations, can't compete with the lightning-fast processing abilities of AI. Imagine manually analyzing thousands of data points versus an AI doing the same task. The difference in speed is astronomical. Moreover, AI's ability to work non-stop 24/7 sets it apart from human capabilities. While we need to rest and recharge, AI systems can continue to operate, analyze, and improve. This is particularly beneficial in industries that require round-the-clock monitoring, such as cybersecurity or healthcare. Despite these advantages, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for humans. It's about harnessing the power of AI to augment human capabilities, not replace them. The benefits of AI are clear, but let's delve deeper into some specific advantages. What are some of the key advantages of artificial intelligence that make it indispensable in today's world? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a game-changer in many fields, and for good reason. The benefits of AI are numerous and far-reaching, but here, we'll focus on four main advantages: automation, accuracy, data analysis, and decision-making. Firstly, let's talk about automation. AI takes automation to a whole new level. Think of it as your personal assistant that never sleeps. It can perform repetitive tasks without any signs of fatigue, and unlike humans, it doesn't need breaks. From answering customer inquiries to performing complex calculations, AI can automate a wide range of tasks, saving us time and allowing us to focus on more strategic activities. Next up is accuracy. AI algorithms are designed to be extremely precise and consistent. Whether it's detecting anomalies in medical images or predicting weather patterns, AI's accuracy is often far superior to that of humans. This increased accuracy can mean the difference between life and death in critical situations, like medical diagnosis. Thirdly, we have data analysis. The world today is overflowing with data. Processing and making sense of all this information is beyond human capacity, but not for AI. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, extracting valuable insights that can help businesses make informed decisions. It can spot trends, patterns, and correlations that would otherwise go unnoticed. The fourth advantage is decision-making. AI can process and analyze data to make informed decisions, often in real time. For instance, in financial markets, AI can analyze market trends and make investment decisions within seconds, something that would take a human trader hours or even days. And the more data AI has, the better its decisions become. But the magic of AI doesn't stop there. One of the most fascinating aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt over time. This is known as machine learning. AI algorithms can learn from past experiences, enhancing their performance and efficiency. So the more they are used, the better they get. This continuous improvement is what sets AI apart from traditional software. To sum it up, AI offers the advantages of automation, accuracy, data analysis, and decision-making. But it's not just about these benefits in isolation. It's about how they combine and interact to create systems that are more efficient, more reliable, and more capable than anything we've seen before. However, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting our abilities and helping us to do things better, faster, and more effectively. These advantages make AI a powerful tool, but how does it impact our day-to-day lives? How is artificial intelligence making a difference in our everyday lives? Well, let's start by taking a peek into your morning routine. You ask your voice assistant about the weather. It responds with a forecast tailored just for you. This is AI at work, understanding your speech, processing the request, and delivering the answer in a human-like voice. But it doesn't stop there. You drive to work, or perhaps you're driven to work by your autonomous vehicle. AI here is not just driving, it's making split-second decisions on the road, processing information from multiple sensors, and ensuring your safety. It's like having a dedicated chauffeur who never gets tired or distracted. And what about the way we consume media? Ever noticed how your favorite streaming platform seems to know exactly what you'd like to watch next? Or how your music app always suggests songs that perfectly match your mood? That's AI's recommendation systems at work, learning from your preferences and habits to curate a personalized experience. Now think about your home. It's a hot day, and as you approach, your smart home system automatically adjusts the temperature, ensuring a cool and comfortable environment when you walk in. Your fridge might even suggest recipes based on what's inside. All of this is possible because of AI's ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions. In fact, AI has become so intertwined with our lives that we often don't realize its presence. It helps us navigate roads, it assists doctors in diagnosing diseases, it even aids farmers in predicting crop yields. AI is everywhere, silently working in the background to make our lives easier and more efficient. In the business world, AI is revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to customer service. It's automating tasks, improving accuracy, and providing insights that were previously unimaginable. So, when we talk about the impact of AI, it's not just about some futuristic concept. It's about the here and now, the ways in which AI is already changing our everyday lives, making things simpler, safer, and more personalized. From making lives easier to revolutionizing industries, AI's influence is profound. What does the future hold for artificial intelligence? As we peer into the looking glass, we see a world transformed by the power of AI. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI's potential applications are as broad as our imagination. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots assist doctors in surgery, making procedures safer and more precise. Envision AI in our classrooms, providing personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs. Yet, with these technological leaps come ethical questions. As AI becomes more advanced, we must grapple with its societal implications. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly, respecting privacy, and avoiding bias? These are questions we must answer as we shape this brave new world. But one thing is certain, AI is not just a passing trend, it's a revolution, a seismic shift in how we live and work. As we continue to innovate, the potential for AI is limitless. It's an exciting time to be alive.